In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Shopify free trial $1 per month. To begin, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Make sure you are on the official Shopify website, so you are starting from the correct place. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to start a free trial. Shopify usually places this near the top of the page, and it may say Start Free Trial. When you click to start the free trial, you will be asked to enter an email address. Type in the email you want to use for your Shopify account, then click the button to continue the free trial sign-up. After that, you will create your account. Follow the prompts on the screen to set up your login details and finish the basic account creation. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate because this is the account you will use to manage your store later. Next, you will come to billing and plan-related options during the setup process. For the $1 per month promotion, the deal typically applies to the monthly billing cycle. Choose the monthly billing cycle when it appears. If you see an option to skip for now, you can use that to continue setting up your store first. This is helpful because you can get your store created and organized before you activate a paid plan. Once you are inside your Shopify admin, focus on creating your store. Go to the online store area and create your store name. Choose a name that fits your brand and is easy to remember. This name is important because it will represent your shop to customers, and it can also affect how your storefront looks. After you have completed your free trial period, you will need to activate your plan to keep your store live and continue working in Shopify. When it is time to activate, return to the plan selection and confirm the monthly option if you want the $1 per month deal, assuming it is available on your account. Carefully review the plan details shown on your screen before confirming so you understand when charges begin after the trial. That covers everything you need to know.